Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the examples of anti-aromaticity and annulenes. This is the example of anti-aromaticity. It is cyclopentadienyl cation. Dienyl means 2 pi bond is present. Okay. This is the structure and this is the resonating structure. There are 4 pi electrons is present, and also another example is cyclobutadiene. This is also example for anti-aromaticity. Okay, next is annulenes. Annulenes is monocyclic hydrocarbons. It has a general formula CnHn. How many number of carbon atom is present? So that number of hydrogen atom is also present, and also annulenes are named based on the number of carbon atoms present in the ring. Okay, this is here you have to know about that. How many carbon atom is present? 4 carbon atom is present, so it is called it as a 4 annuline, and this is 6 annuline. In that there will be important points is there. First one is Huckel's rules that should be obey benzene ring and also cyclobutadiene, but benzene is called it as a aromatic, but cyclobutadiene is called it as a anti-aromatic. It also contains a cyclic and a planar and a continuous ring system, but in the cyclobutadiene it is called it as an anti-aromatic because it has a 2 pi bond. Okay, here also n is equal to 1. By applying 4n plus 2 pi electron, it gives a 6 pi electron. Okay, here it has a 2 pi bond, so 4 pi electrons are present. Each pi bond contains 2 electrons. Okay, so that's why it is cyclic and continuous ring structure. Okay, so that's in that also it is not called it as a aromatic, it is called it as a anti-aromatic. Okay, next second one is cyclooctatetraene. It is an anti-aromatic. It has also 4n pi system, but it does not obey the anti-aromatic rules because it has a continuous structure and also flexibility. So it has a flexibility, so it is flexed, turn into tub like conformation. So one of the pi bond is present on the outside, so it is non-aromatic. And in that large annulenes, example 12 and 16 annulenes, it has a 4n pi system, but it does not show the anti-aromaticity because they have a flexible nature. And some of the large annulenes means 14 and 18, it has a aromatic properties. Okay, some of the large annulenes has a aromatic properties. This is all about the annulenes. Next, in today's class we learnt about the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic substitution. Okay, in that you have to know about that. Aromatic means there will be presence of benzene ring mainly. Okay, in that you have to know about that benzene. First we have to know the what is electrophilic substitution. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution. It means one of the hydrogen atom present in the benzene ring, okay, of benzene is replaced by electrophile. Okay, This is called it as a aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. It means benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಂಜಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮು that should be replaced by electrophile. Electrophile means positive charged. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು, ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸು. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು, ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡಿಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is one of the electrophile is substituted. So then ಅದು ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೋದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. E+H+. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ electrophilic substitution reaction, and it has so many electrophilic substitution reaction. There will be mechanism also present. You have learnt in your previous classes. Okay, here also they have a mechanism. Before going to the main mechanism, we have to know about the general mechanism, how to reactions take place. Okay, first I will show general mechanism. Okay, general mechanism in that step 1 is generation of electrophile. Electrophile ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ substrate is dissociated into electrophile. Substrate ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ the given reactant ಅಂತ, that is dissociated. Dissociated means separation. Okay, or this is the one method, or reacts with substrate. Substrate reacts with catalyst. Substrate reacts with catalyst to generate electrophile. Okay, catalyst ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ E. Here for this one, substrate is dissociated into electrophile. It gives dissociated into E plus Nu minus. E ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲು, Nu ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ H2SO4 plus H2SO4. Okay, here sulfuric acid both acts as a electrophile and nucleophile. It gives HSO4 minus nucleophile plus H3O plus sulfur trioxide. Okay, this is the example for this reaction. H2SO4, it gives HSO4 minus. This is nucleophile, this is electrophile. Okay, for the second one, it means catalyst. Electrophile, nucleophile plus catalyst. C means catalyst. It gives E plus C into Nu. Okay, do you get it? Example is Cl plus FeCl3. FeCl3 is catalyst. Okay, it gives chlorine is the electrophile plus FeCl4. This is electrophile, this is complex. Okay, this is the first step, how the electrophile is generated. Okay, next step 2 is attack of electrophile. Here I am writing E plus electrophile to benzene. Okay, electrophile ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ electrophile attacks benzene ring and form pi complex. Okay, benzene ring ಜೊತೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದಾಗ pi complex formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is stabilized by resonance. Okay, that complex is stabilized by resonance. Okay, here first one is, this is the benzene ring plus electrophile. Here ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನ ತೋರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ electrophile. ಓಕೆ, this will give, here the reaction will be in that you have to observe here this bond donates. Okay, this bond donates into formation of hydrogen and electrophile. Here you have to see, here in this place ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮತ್ತು ಇ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮು ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಬಾಂಡು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಬಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬಾಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊತಲ್ವ ಬಾಂಡ್ನ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಬಾಂಡು ಈ ಎರಡು ಮಧ್ಯ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಯರ್ ದ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಬಂದಾಗ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ H ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ E. Okay, so it carries a positive charge. So then this bond will comes here, so it gives this will comes here and this will comes here, and so it carries a positive charge. Okay, so here you have to observe, here ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮೂವಬಲ್ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಆಯಿತಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವುದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪೈ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಐದರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎ ರೆಸೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹೈಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಸೊನೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ second step. Next, last step is step 3, elimination of proton. Elimination of proton. Proton means here H plus ion. Okay, here H plus ion is eliminated to regenerate a delocalized pi electron. ಇಲ್ಲಿ H plus ion ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, to regenerate the pi electron. Here there are only 2 pi electron is present, 2 pi bond is present. Okay, by applying a nucleophile catalyst. So this nucleophile removes the hydrogen atom. Okay, this bond is comes here. ಇದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಬಾಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸೊ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ 3 pi bond is present, but here only 2 pi bond is present. So the hydrogen is combined with nucleophile and we get a catalyst again. Okay, this is all about the general mechanism for electrophilic substitution reaction. Next is some examples for electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, first one is nitration. Here first we have to know about the which electrophile is formed in the nitration. Okay, and these electrophilic substitution reaction mechanisms are very very important. Okay, they will ask in your exams. First one, nitration. Here benzene on heating with mixture of concentrated HNO3. HNO3 means nitric acid, and concentrated H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, gives nitrobenzene. Okay, here the electrophile is NO2 group, nitro group is the electrophile. Next we will move on to the mechanism. Here step 1, you know that there are step 3 steps are present. Okay, first step is generation of electrophile. Okay, generation of electrophile. Here how the electrophile is generated: when nitric acid HNO3 and sulfuric acid reacts to generate nitronium ion. Nitronium ion means NO2 as an electrophile. Okay, this is the electrophile is formed when nitric acid and sulfuric acid are reacts to generate nitronium ion. Here the reaction is HNO3 plus H2SO4. It gives HSO4 minus plus NO2 plus H2. Okay, this is the first step reaction. Sulfuric acid ಮತ್ತು concentrated HNO3 react ಆದಾಗ HSO4 minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ plus NO2. Okay, here this is the catalyst. This is the nitronium ion. Nitronium ion means what? Electrophile. Okay, this is all about the first step. Next, step 2 is attack of electrophile to benzene. electrophile to benzene. Here same as it is in the general step, you have to mainly know about the in general ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ NO2, this bond comes with here, it gives H NO2. Okay, NO2 plus, you have to write NO2 plus, it carries a plus charge. Okay, then this bond goes here, it gives then this will it carries a positive charge. This is H, this is NO2. Okay, next this bond comes here, so the last resonating structure is this here, it carries a positive charge. This is H, this is NO2. Okay, so the final product is it comes like that. Okay, this is H, this is NO2. This is the final product. Okay, this is the resonating structure of NO2 and H. Last step is step 3 is equal to elimination of proton. Elimination of proton means what? H plus ion, removal of H plus ion. This H should be removed by using nucleophile. Okay, sorry, why elimination of H plus ion means here the benzene ring contains 3 pi bonds, but here there will be only 2 pi bonds are present. So when we remove the proton, it means H plus ion, this bond goes to the formation of other pi bond in the benzene ring. So then the benzene ring carries 3 pi bonds. Okay, this is the electrophilic mechanism for nitration. This is nitrobenzene plus H2SO4. H2SO4 means catalyst. Okay, this is all about the nitration. First step is formation of nitronium electrophile, and this is the electrophile attached to benzene and elimination of proton. Including this also, I will give the tables in your notes, some electrophiles and their generation route. This is one of the example. If they gave a chlorination, the electrophile is chlorine. Okay, if it is bromination, Br, and then sulfonation, SO3, I will give in your notes. You have to practice it. Okay, this is aromatic electrophilic substitution. It means benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution. One of the hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by electrophile. It means positive charge. When it is nucleophile, it is negative charge. This is the generation of it means formation of electrophile. This is the general mechanism. First step is generation of electrophile. Electrophile is formed in the formation of also nuclei, and also there will be another form is there by using catalyst. Second step is attack of electrophile. Okay, it forms the electropi complex by resonance hybrid. Here they are using resonance structures because resonance structure is present, so the compound is more stable. And last one is hydrogen, removal of hydrogen, because benzene ring has 3 pi bonds, but here it has 2 pi bonds, so formation of 1 pi bond, so that's why H is removed. This is all about the general mechanism. And the another example for electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. This is the mechanism of nitration. Okay, thank you one and all.